So in this video we look at the idea of distance between any 2 points. And so first we'll take so before this video you should you should have done Pythagoras theorem. Best if you have done Pythagorean triples, so that children are comfortable with the idea of if you can find the right angle triangle, you can find the hypotenuse. So the first point is, of course, I have to go horizontal 2 and then I have to go vertical 1. So this point is 2 comma my vertical 1, and this point I have to go horizontal 4 and then I have to go vertical 5. So this is 4 comma 5. So it's important to actually construct this triangle in which I am go horizontal. So I am going horizontal 2. Right. I think I would have preferred this point. Okay, fine, we'll get a square root result. Never mind. And then I'm going vertical. Here I'm going 4 vertical and I'm going 2 horizontal. Okay. So we know that the distance here between these 2 points is a shortcut. It's not going to be 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is when you go all around. If you go straight, the distance will be less than 2 plus 4. I think this is something we should re-emphasize. And of course they have done Pythagoras theorem. So then they are aware that this distance is actually equal to square root of the square of 2 plus the square of 4. Okay, not a very nice example. I would have actually preferred something in which it's a Pythagorean triple and they can get a round number answer. And we should first stick with those. So instead of these 2 points, I would have actually taken this point. So I have 3 horizontal and 4 vertical, and then the diagonal would have been 5. So that's a correction. So the better point here would have been 1 comma 1. So the important thing is that it's the x distance and y distance. You have to take those two and then you have to do the Pythagoras theorem. If this can land, the triangle is the x distance and y distance, then the idea of this was 4 minus 2, but if this point was x1 and y1 and the last point was x2 and y2, then the vertical distance will be y2 minus y1 and the horizontal distance will be x2 minus x1 and hence the distance, let's say d is equal to square root of and this is important. So this is the distance.